Assalamualaikum. In this video, we will present our mini project titled Spa Management System. In this group contain 4 members, which is me, NURSABRINA binti AZELI, IZZATI HUSNA binti AFFRINDI, AMALYA binti MAHERAN, and also NURUL IZZATI SYAZWANI binti RASHIDI. The first content that I will explain is OOP concept, which is include 3 concepts that will apply in our system, which is interface, inheritance, and also polymerism. The first concept we use is inheritance. This is the example of the main inheritance, which is in person, that we use it to extend it admin, which is one of the example. The second one is polymerism. One of the example we use is in staff controller, to use for implement related to booking controller. And the third one is interface. For this concept, one of the example we use is in booking controller to achieve fully abstract class. The next content is Java collection. In Java collection, we use array list to list all the booking that we entered in the database. This is the example of the coding we use for the array list.
Next, I will continue with GUI. GUI provides an easy-to-use visual experience builder for Java application. For GUI, we use JLabel command to label the page and JButton command to use as a button which can be clicked to proceed to the next process. This is the example of GUI output. The title is admin page and some working buttons, which is register staff, view booking list, and logout button. Then we go to exception handling. We use exception E command to ensure that the flow of the program doesn't break when exception occurs. For example, if we use this command and exception occurs midway after executing certain statement, then the statement after the exception will not execute and the program will terminate abruptly.
I will proceed to explain on how to connect the system into the database. We use connection command to connect JavaScript with MySQL. So, when we run our program, all data will be kept in the database. And lastly, SQL codes to build tables in database. In our database, we have table admin, table staff, table customer, and table booking. Each of the table has their own respective attributes to keep all data. This is the example of the tables after created in database.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, so right now I want to explain about the UML diagram for our system. So first, we can look at here. We have admin table, which consists of admin ID, VACHA, admin password, VACHA. Admin will register staff, will review booking, and view staff. Admin will be register staff, so in staff table we have staff ID, VACHA, staff password, VACHA. Staff will register customer, will do a booking, will view booking, and update the staff list. Next, staff will booking for the customer. In booking table, we have booking ID, integer, customer ID, VACHA, booking date, date. So in booking, we can update booking list. For staff and admin and the customer, for the customer table, we have customer ID, VACHA, customer password, VACHA. For customer, admin, and staff, we will extend it to class name person. It has name and number phone in it. So that's all. Thank you.
Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. So right now I will go through our coding. So for the first one, this is our database connection, which is connect to MySQL. So we can see right here our XAMPP. So next, for the controller, first we have admin controller, which is implements to the booking controller. Next we have customer controller, staff controller, which is implements to the booking controller too. And lastly we have booking controller, which we use interface. So next, for the model, we have admin.java, but before that I will go check the person, and for the person we have string name and string number phone, which is the admin coding, and the admin customer and staff coding will extend to the person .java. Admin extend person. So in admin Java we only have admin ID and admin pass. For the customer we have customer ID because we extend it to the person, and for the staff we have staff ID and staff password. So for the view coding, first we have admin page. We make a GUI from this. We can see here JLabel, JButton, button view booking, button view staff. Quick explanation. If we take this coding explain, if we click on logout button, it will go to the login page. So for admin register staff, it's just the same. Just we add, if we click register button, it can we fill the staff ID column, name, number phone and staff password, and it will save into the staff table in the SQL. So for admin view booking, admin can view booking in this coding. For this coding, if we click on button back, we can go to admin page. So this we use array list to view all the data in the database. Admin view stuff is just the same for admin view booking. Basically, all the view coding is just the same. Just we the difference is the booking stuff and who's gonna saw them. For login page, this coding explain if we success if the data that we insert in the column is what we call that, they have it in the database, so we can log in that. If they do not have in the database, so it will show the message you are not authorized. For next, for the staff booking, exactly the same with the admin register staff. Just we change to the booking. This is for the staff page, and this is for the register customer, which is same as booking and register staff. And lastly, staff view booking, which is the same as admin view booking. So that's all. Thank you.